A couple, husband and wife, built whole hospital, although they've expanded it, built the whole hospital for even me or I, the African, has benefit from there. Why can't I do same?
Obi organa gas bieni. Ogu many was woni pem in the full glare of the general public. Obi our reception. Cause a minimum today. My friend, medium in discipline. Why the leader or NPP will bet my ass idea? Why no cast and let your ya be your ya? On pe bogus. Be how and as the same be as you. Practical ideas. Leader Ben and they all Ghana. The whole Makola find out what that well with you apart from Kenya.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. FM member, subscribe, share. Minute 2 man now on Saka baby. I'll be a meeting chair near Mao. Yera Kennedy Japan, the man that I believe will lead Ghana very soon. Media makasa me start say me bob baby I me den wana mebo obi ama miskaba me na mebo because me Ghana ni bibi bia bebo Ghana bia no I am for it. And then Yera Jomama no yen mani sopa unless osadia me start say mebo na chi me Ghana ni me nya politician. So the same way no me who say after Yera Mahama we stabilize bibia no Ghana needs quick growth to take us to our promised land. Tighten belt near tighten do. Edu baby e say release belts no. Na sabiti manfo so yes we enjoy. Holidays are America, ultimate Canada, ultimate Barbados, ultimate go we no. It's time Ghanaians enjoy those things because nyame ahira na one man na mimi tutum so betimi ya Kennedy Japan. I say Okosi hospital be na all kind of inspiration that he got before doing it.
I got this inspiration from a family. When my father was sick and admitted at St. Barnabas Hospital in New Jersey, whilst he was in the room, I was reading what is on the board. And the story goes like a couple, husband and wife, built the whole hospital. Although they've expanded it, they built the whole hospital for even me or I, the African, has benefited from there. So why can't I do same for my country? I'm doing this for my country. No politics. NDC, NPP, CPP, we are all bogus. We are all bogus. We are polarizing the country. And it's about time that we speak and criticize ourselves and make sure we change the destiny of the youth of this country. I live for you. So live for your brother too. That's the only way we can change the destiny of this country. Talking plenty, criticizing good things being done in this country, you get your opponent to turn it around and destroy the good intention of whatever you want to do. That must stop and move this country. I'm setting the pace and challenge for you, the youth, that if that poor boy from Asin Dompim has done it, you can do it better. If that poor boy who could not speak English, anytime you raise your hand, today, I raised $3 million at ease. A PK seller and a graduate like you will do far better than me. So you should have hope. You should have hope that the future will be bright. You are not going to be like this for the rest of your life. If you work hard, you don't cheat people. I tell the guys all the time that look, even when you are in the mood of having sex with your wife, a call will come. Ken Japan, your money is ready. I say, honey, you got away, baby. I got to take that money. When I come back, fresh mind, good heart, I give you good sex. So you have to marry your job. That is what I mean. Marry your job, and your wife and family will be happy. And some of you will tell you, oh, okay, my wife and the family are home. I have to go home. When there's money to be made, Jimmy. Just pick a phone. Honey, you know what? I got some deal on the table here. Let me finish before. I'm going to be late for an hour or two. Finish the deal. You go home. Money is on the table. When money is on the table, I've seen a nice lady who had come to complain to me that she is getting divorced. Why? Said, the husband cannot take care of the family. I say, wow, sky moja ambao. Oh, Drane Kacho, so money is not anything. When I catch you, read Ecclesiastes 10:19. It says, food is for laughter, wine is for merrymaking, and money answers it all. When you do that, you work hard, you make the money, you go to church on Sunday, you also give some to God. Don't get me wrong. I'm not against worshiping. No. Any man who says there's no God, to me, you are a fool. If you want to know.
Ewiase, there are 3 attributes of a good leader. 3 attributes. Sa attribute in mehu oken mu. Fearless. Se onsradie. Owa kukudro. Asam se ne tie bia Kennedy obeka. Onsuro no aka. Ena onim se ebeboa Ghana kwa de obeye. The second one is fairness. Fairness means say obia sabe oye nipa te se odo no obema the chance to succeed. And the last one is compassionate. These are the 3 pillars of what? A good leader. It can say compassionate. Say owo ehumo bro. Say onko fa Ghana sika se mlikwa kosi edema Nyankopon wo akodi sika no. And that's all man appointees and sika. Not no can say I love Ghana. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a fearless leader. Sabi why ye be. Na de bia me ka say so Kennedy, your man Kennedy Japan time e pass Ghana. Ghana would have lost one of his biggest, time toward progress. Papa Kennedy, only just a politician. He's not even a politician. I don't see him as one. I see him as a businessman. I see him as a self-made businessman. Because this someone Kenyan who said, or the inspiration for baby, now my baby was here, baby. And on the said, he's a man of what we call practicality. And yes, theory or book oriented. You can't theory book for now. You will not make what to be for city every 14 of the course 17. Book theory, they say, yeah, I wouldn't go for book theory. I want a man that he will come and take Ghana. Me, I want the dollar and then the city to be 1-to-1. That's what me my wish. I don't care what people say. I want a Ghana that obi be school. All school, he's looking forward to come and to work. And now we're back to know we have tons of graduates who can't find jobs because the politicians of today, and yet that is what Ghana needs. We don't need those things. The money draining, sika yes, send on Nyama, friends and family no and more Ghana. We need somebody who is seasoned like Ken Can Lead Japan. Now, no, or say he knows the man. He has seen what he can do.
Listen to my own personal experience.
Okay, me too.
Can Japan be a board chairman of Ghana Gas? Dear, me no, and auntie, and you know, meaning Ken Japan when I was young. Now, one day, Oba Jumamu was a board chairman. Well, who said, a man for Majuma, general manager, in penny for no more Majuma at the right time. Boy, as mammy can yanko pony me dancing, you pass, mammy case publicly. Sorry, I no pa 5:30 a.m. no or office or train will be or bedroom. It been managers be drew 8:30 or saki or mom coffee. If you are that day, no me, mammy dread mom to be drew on 9 or train mammy buy a catch him some coffee. Now, next time you obey him. Obi Ghana gas be him. O gumani was who nipem in the full glare of the general public. Obi Algina or reception. Kase o minimum today. My friend, medium in tolerating discipline. 107.3. And this has been his lifestyle. What you say? The minimum is how we a minister. Na kere Japan benso. Say oh you see the project ama ko road bi na wan ko. Ah. Minister sign me you ready. Sign Kofi. Deputy minister take over. That is what Ghana forces here omutie. Gen Z no mo ompeso omutie. Why the leader or MPP mo bet my asa de no? Why no case let your ya be your ya? Ompe bogus bi how and as same bi asem wati. Practical ideas. Leader Ben and they all Ghana han mo bet my so ya no pass okobubu KJTS in foforo. The whole makola obebu puni in foforo. Why not want that well with you apart from Kenya Japan? It was how leader Ben a police in bet magic bribe. The minute they hear that Kennedy Japan be president, you know, Obia beses anagini. Opa sima make me boa ka chem se me boa. The perception. President Rollins to everybody has a perception about himself. Papa where you no nonsense man, oh. No nonsense man. You can say whatever about him, but our tear, you are finished. That spirit is what Ghanaians are craving for. A leader who can change the psyche of the ordinary Ghanaian to believe in themselves that Ghana needs to rise up again. And no need the mentality Ghana for a year for. Na me tie for moi, sa no mu desire. Opa average person be out there bro fa telephone na fa reporter na call grounds e dey na mo se peke de Japan papa we yes won kasa yi ne kasa nya masa nya no ne ehwe papa ndie de on de on chele hwe o de opa akokwa me kroma sekre ya na ko bisa om opa akokejetia opa akolori station opa akọ market women sa papa we bi adwuma ma ono kra no onya me president kra we bi adwuma ma manfo onya biaye it's a day chess of a president or no one cast or corrupt. What is second Japan will be a command bribe and I say will be this is the perception of the ordinary Ghanaian about the man.
Asempa any di ho dance here. We anyam nam kayo asempa any di ho dance here. I say me woman we ya onu adwumam otimi ba ntem oba no asake osemasa tomorrow camely. And when your friend discipline. Ghana, yeah, most of our leaders are not disciplined. I'm telling you. Yeah, leaders say discipline. Akobi ko yesika na nkwata Jubilee House. Now when you clearing agents, yeah, council go and bring evidence. That is not good governance. That is bogus governance. Yeah, but idea. It doesn't matter who the person can be your brother. Once I was 14, you learn the work. The word crack. Yeah, control election run off. Biwo Ablekuma. Look at the violence up to now. Who has been caught? That's the Ghana that we have. Who has been caught? It's Ochina na yebabeye ebia kededie no. Macho men are planning. Security services, no, they are not even on their toes. People are planning. NPP is now saying, they were also going to build what? The military men, the vigilantes, the machoism. Where are we taking Ghana to? So when your way of say, yeah, pay to media, then we are doomed. We need a man na why you be that. Nia obeye na dachi ye who say, o me we SCA. Ye nya bisa na ye de nam ni e kofa we ya atrai makwe. Ni e kwa NPP NDC ye be bre abroso. Me de makache MPP for say delegate conferences of Blackberry Ashipamuko to see. Someone to sue honorable Kennedy at Japan Margaret. Media makache them. Some executives will move them out because how many bogus, how many majuma. Number of competent people are my eye. The MPP has lost its even color. It's a blue and then green, white and then red. More color cry, you've lost it because you don't have identity. The people, the executive, they don't even have identity. They don't even know the identity of what? The MPP. It's almost Akabedena executive will tell an MP say don't run. No so kwako run. A failed party. It is a munim. No man putting my house in order. Wo bet on pushing 40 years na check. I Xposed GH FM member subscribe share. Me the 2 man now say ka be manuasi.
GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.